Hello, year one. How are you all? I'm Miss Marwa Adil, your science teacher. Today we are going to start to revise the topic ourselves. Are you ready? Let's look at this picture. They are group of girls and they are playing together in the garden. I think that we all love to play, right? And we all need to eat and drink. So I think this is common between us. We need the food and we need to drink the water, right? So we are similar to each other. We are humans. All the humans have something that are the same. We called it similar features. So we are humans and the humans do the same things, okay? So we have similar features. Look at this picture. They are a group of girls and boys, and I think they have similar things, right? Hair, they all have hair, eyes, nose, mouth, right? And hands and fingers. So, but I think no one is exactly as someone else. They doesn't look like each other, right? We all are unique, right? Unique, it's mean that I do not look like you, right? So we are different to each other, even that we are the same, but we are different. We are different. So we're going to see some differences between us, okay? So some of us are boys and some are girls, right? So this is a difference. Another difference is that some are tall, light, and other are short. The first one is short and the last one is the tallest one. This is a difference. We have different hair colors. The first one has black and the second yellow and the last one brown color. Yeah, right? So we have different hair colors. Another difference is that we do not all have the same eye colors, right? Some have black, brown, gray, and blue, right? So, we have to revise now the body parts. You remember the body parts, right? We have here the head, shoulders, knees, and toes, right? And we have the foot, leg, hand, arm, nose. This is inside our head, hair, ear, eye, mouth, and nose, right? So you have to remember the body parts. So look at this picture. These children have crashed. They were playing with their bike, and also remember that you have to take care on your bicycle, right? Always wear a helmet to protect your to protect your what? Your head. Excellent. So, what do you think? Look at the picture and only count the parts you can actually see. Okay, so only you are going to count the parts that I can see only. Remember. So, number A, how many heads can you see? Hmm, one, two, three heads. You can see another thing? No, three heads. How many hands, number B, how many hands can you see? So how many hands I can see? The first one have only one hand I can see. The second here, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six hands only I can see, right? So how many fingers can you see? Only I can see. Fingers, I will count one, two, three, four, five, six, and I have here another 10, 5. Try to count with me. So I think there are 25 fingers. Okay, okay. So our five senses. You remember our five senses? And the five senses make us what? Look at the words around us and deal with it, right? I can see this nice beach and I'm going to taste the ice cream and I'm going to feel the the water, right? So this is our five senses. So now we use our eyes to see. We use our eyes to see, and this is called the sense of sight. The sense of sight or sense of seeing. Look at this girl, she's just looking using her eyes to look to the flowers. The second one is we use our ears to hear things. We use our ears to hear things, and this is called the sense of hearing. Sense of hearing. We use our nose to smell, right? I want to smell this nice flower. This is what the sense of smell. And I use my tongue to taste the food. Okay, so this is with what? With my tongue. I use my skin to feel things. We use our skin. We use our skin to feel. And you know that all our body are covered with skin and we do not use our hand to feel because the skin is covered all my body. Remember, right? And this is called the sense of touch. Sense of touch. So, now we are going to use our senses because our senses warn us about the bad things that may happen. This is what the smell of fire. If I couldn't smell anything, how I will know that there is a fire here, right? So it warns us about the bad things and warn us also about the danger. Keep us safe when we are crossing the road, right? So this is very important. We can use our senses to cross the road. The sense of sight. I'm going to hear the siren of the ambulance, right? When I'm crossing the roads, they are moving so fast. So I have to use my sense of hearing, right? So our senses is very important. And how many senses do we have? Five senses. Thank you, guys. Thank you.